Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel. Now I know it's been a while since I posted some videos, but I have been busy. I've been doing some construction work on the shack. I will make a video and show you what's happened over there. But yeah, it's all been busy, it's all good. And now it's time to get back to making the video. So today, what are we going to be doing? So we're going to be taking a look at this, the Ninja outdoor wood oven. Now Ninja have kindly sent me this. Well, they've sent it me from the warehouse, but I have had to pay for it. Still seems like Ninja are not on good talking terms with me, but we will keep on promoting their products and we'll try and change their mind. So come on, let's get in this box and we'll have a look. So the first thing we can see on this, we've got our quick start setup guide. Got our little scoop for the pellets. A little bit of a warning on here. Do not get this piece of stone wet. There we are, our Ninja piece of stone. 2 bags of the Ninja pellets. We won't be needing these. We've got the pellet mans. So the first impressions is, I'm loving this colour. I think it's a real smart colour. Take a look inside and see what we've got inside. Packaging. So this is our Pro Eat tray. I must say it's got some weight to it, this has. And you also get a rack that fits inside this. So watching videos, I have seen a lot of people burn themselves on this. So one thing to be careful of. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my, I use these for my Dutch ovens, lifting lids and things like that. I think we're going to just use that to get these in and out. We've got our pellet hopper here, a few instructions on how to use it. Best thing about it is, look, the economizer works in it as well, saving you money. So the economizer fits in both grills. I'll put a link down below where you can buy this economizer, and I might even put a QR code up on the screen so you can just scan it. So we'll come along and we'll look at the function buttons here. We've got a warm setting that keeps meals warm and ready to eat after cooking. We've got dehydrate, generally remove moisture for snacks like jerky and dried fruit. And don't forget, we can also cook beef on this, low and slow. We've got the smoker, which is obviously, we all know, low, slow smoking to tenderise large cuts of meat. We've got create baked goods with crispy crusts and fluffy centres. We've got a top heat, quickly melt toppings or create beautiful brown exteriors. We've got a gourmet roast. Start high, finish low for crispy outside and juicy inside. Great for chickens and things like that. We've got a max roast. Get charred, crispy, caramelised results in a traditional oven can't create. And then of course we've got our pizza settings, and we've got artisan, thin, pan, New York style, calzone, and a custom setting to set yourself. Come along the front, we've got our wood smoke technology button. We've got our temperatures, we've got time. This button here is the dial. It sets the time and temperature, so once you dial it in, and of course then we've got our stop and start. So we're going to give this a test now. We're going to go on pizza. It's already set to our maximum temperature, 370, 2.5 hours on that. We're not really bothered about that. Pop some pellets in. First of all, in goes the economizer. And this is about 25 grams of pellets. Press start. And with the wood flavour technology, and we'll see how it goes. As with the wood fire grill, you can see the progress on here. You have to wait till it's got all the lights lit and then it's ready to go. Bit of leakage out one side of the door here. This side of the door seems to be leaking. Seems to be okay. A little nice extra here is the on-off switches here on the back, where on the grill it's hid behind that leg that most people seem hard to find. Whoa! That took me a bit by surprise. Hit temperature and it puffed like a dragon. Okay, so that took about 15 minutes to get up to temperature. We'll take a look inside. We get that stone temperature. 321 degrees C. Mighty hot. So, first impressions with this, I'm pretty impressed. Like I say, this is still running 327, 328 inside. I could touch the top, it's warm, but it's not going to burn you. So the first thing we're going to cook on this, that's right, we're going to do a turkey ready for Christmas.